be having a proper schedule. If you are out of time, your timetable, like if you know about each of the single module, this module is not a joke, to be honest. This module is challenging for the native speakers even. This module is bonus for getting the best score 7 plus. This module is also bonus for getting the best score 7 plus. This module is practice for getting the best score 7 plus, right? Practice. And this module is 100% practice for getting the best score even 8 plus bands, right? Comparatively, now we have made a schedule for students. For speaking section, you must be given, three are the sources. Sometimes students stuck in these IELTS books, right? You mentioned sometimes these Cambridge's books, right? These are the sources. No. I do not recommend this for speaking section. The page is also, yeah, here. Here it is, here it is. Yes, this. Now, these are good for your reading and listening section, right? Only reading and listening. For speaking, I have shared the sources. I would reshare with the one who is not having that. Maker book, past papers, 42 topics. And I think last day or today, one student who shared that my brother appeared for the British Council speaking exam, and he faced two questions. One question was from 42 topics regarding work. Work is the second topic in 42, first or second. Now, regarding work, if you are having information, you can share any kind of work related question. The answer you can give, right? So easily, because you would be having information in the mind. If you study 42 topics, you would be having information, a lot of information regarding different kind of discussion topic, right? 42 topics. Maker book, past paper, daily 3. Maker book, daily 3 questions, right? The very, very important, the most important part for IELTS speaking exam, maker book. And besides that, if you'd like the most important section for speaking practice, 30 minutes practice or 1 hour practice, 30 minutes or 1 hour more for getting the +8, right? Then I guarantee that you cannot get if you give a gap, right? Next is your writing section here. I have predicted 95 topics for your essays for the following months. Even this month is also included in that. Essays can come from this. Many essays in June, July, August came from the same essays, right? Came the similar topics, the same words, right? So the prediction is done on the base of maker book, on the base of recent exam, and the base of current scenario. So you can go through the essays. At least you should have little information regarding each different topic of essay for IELTS writing, right? You must be having little information how to write something about that, right? Like right now, we went through some evaluated work. Now, zoo related information, other school related information, children should be provided free education or not, right? This, now you are having some information, you can write beautifully. But if you are not having any information, you would be randomly writing, you would be writing roughly, and that would be having mistakes grammatically, punctuation wise, starting wise, closing wise, spanning wise, tense wise, sentence wise, subject wise, verb wise, different wise, right? So to avoid the mistakes, you should be having some information here to portray that, to to convey that in writing section. Must write one essay daily, and the one first, the Somalia person, you appeared for, like you are appearing after 10 days, so you are requested after 10-12 days, you are requested to write also description of chart on daily basis, because you are IELTS academic. Write description. If you face any difficulty, ask me anytime, no problem. Yes. Second thing is the source for writing description of chart. The books are best. You can take any of the description question from here, these books, right? Like IELTS Cambridge's books. And for IELTS writing essay, predictable topics and recent exams questions. Recent exams question essays you can get anywhere, from Google, you can get from Facebook, you can get from other sources. You can ask me, I would share with you, right? For reading section, only the Cambridge's books are the best sources, only and only. And recent exams, if you want, I would share with you. Recent exams question I'm having along with answers for reading section. But the most important, even from the recent exam, is this book 16, 17, 18. This one is 15, right? Yeah. So this is also important for reading section. For daily one passage, one test, right? One passage on daily basis is not enough. If you are going to one passage on daily basis, you are doing something unfair with yourself, right? Daily, you should go through one test of reading. One test contains 3 passages, right? Within 3 passages, what should be more focused? Heading finding, only heading finding, right? If you focus more on heading finding questions, Here, when you would be able to find easily the heading of each single question, you would be able to get the best, right? How? Because the one who we felt good in heading finding, actually why he performs the best score in reading, he actually understand each reading paragraph, that this paragraph is conveying this idea, and he simply give it heading by choosing the from heading list, right? Now actually this person is understanding, right? So heading finding list question must be focused 100%, and remaining true false not given must be also focused and avoid, but first in reading passages, try to first go through questions, make outlines, make notes, understand questions, try to first go through questions, make notes for yourself, like in this question is asking me this, underline some words, and then go through the passages, right? Within the passages, try to just only focus, like I'm locating the answer for that very question, whatever you have read so far in IELTS reading section, right? Your target should be only not understanding deeply, rather to only locate the answers for the questions. So first go to question, then reading. Same goes for listening section, listen more, and daily base one test you should go through, right? uh, this is how many students are here. Yes, I would like to have one question for each student. The meeting is again going to an end because I reshared the link from the previous section of the previous class, and therefore the meeting is again going to an end. You are requested to join only for 7-8 minutes more, because I want